Good morning, dear children. Welcome you all to the Google Classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. So, dear children, what we have discussed in the previous class? We have discussed about advantages and disadvantages of friction. Yes, friction is a necessary evil. So now you know that in certain situation, friction is useful, and in certain situation, friction is not useful. Now, depending upon the situation, we can find out the way to increase or reduce friction. So today we will talk about increasing and reducing friction. Let us first talk about increasing friction. Let us understand with the help of examples.
Increasing and reducing friction. So let's understand with the help of some examples about increasing friction. Have you ever thought why the sole of your shoe is grooved? It is done to provide the shoes better grip on the floor so that you can move safely. Treaded tires. Now look at the structure of tire. You can able to see that the surface is rough. And this rough surface helps to move well on the road. You might have seen that kabaddi players rub their hands with the soil for a better grip of their opponents, right? Gymnasts apply some coarse substance on their hands to increase friction for better grip. So these are some examples where we try to increase friction by making the surface rough. Now let's talk some examples related to reducing friction. So one such example would be machines. As we discussed in the previous class, due to friction, lots of energy gets wasted due to heat. So we always use to reduce friction in machinery parts. Now how do we do that? By applying grease in machinery parts. So when you apply grease, the surface will turn to be smooth and therefore friction will reduce. Now I am sure that all of you would have played the carom board. So when you apply powder on the carom board, what happens? Yes, the board become slippery. So it become easier you to strike the coin. You might have noticed that when a few drops of oil are poured on the hinges of a door, the door moves smoothly. So this was all the examples of reducing friction. Lubricants. Now what is the meaning of lubricants? The substance which reduce friction is called lubricants. Means applying oil or grease or any such oily material on the substance to make it smooth.
So dear students, what we have discussed today? Yes, we have discussed about increasing and reducing friction. And with the help of some examples, we have learned increasing and reducing friction. So dear students, all of you read the textbook and study the notes. I have also attached the URL video. There will be a test paper related to this topic. So all of you attend the test paper and post it. See you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye.